Guys, what is up? I'm happy to bring you the first ever Microtech tool driver kit. This fits every single Microtech knife made, early and late models, early UTX 70s, Ultratechs, current models, all of them are here. We got the tri-points to fit the earlier knives, pivot screws, glass breakers, everything is here, and they all fit into this one bead blasted Microtech driver. And it's got a hollow handle, so these fit down in there. It only holds a couple, so a few of your favorite ones, some of the smaller ones, the bigger ones won't fit obviously, but anyway guys, a lot of you have been buying our aftermarket bits, and that's great. We're still going to carry those, but if for those of you that have a huge, basically the microholics, they have a huge collection, this is a great tool driver to have, so you have everything here and you don't have to buy a bunch of separate ones. They're all here together, all with one tool driver, all ready to go. EKNIVES.com. Have a good day.